The trees and the axe. One day, all the trees in the world had a big meeting. "We are in trouble," the oldest tree said to the others. "Years ago, we used to live in peace. There were trees everywhere. They covered the whole land. But where are they now? Axes have cut them down." "You're right," another tree said. "The axe is our enemy. Axes cut us down. Then they prepare us to make houses and plows and furniture. They even chop us up to burn on the fire." "The axe!" the other tree shouted. "The axe is our enemy. We must kill the axe." "But how can we kill the axe?" the smallest tree asked. The trees talked together for a long time. None of them could find an answer. Only the eucalyptus said nothing. He watched and listened. "The axe is too strong for us," the trees all said at last. "We are too weak. We can never kill the axe." The eucalyptus waved one of his branches. "My friends," he said, "listen to me. The axe isn't our enemy." The other trees were angry. "What do you mean?" they cried. "Of course he is our enemy." The eucalyptus waited again. When they were all quiet, he said, "What is an axe made of? The head is made of metal, but the handle is made of wood. And where does the wood come from? It comes from us, the trees." The other trees began to nod their heads. "He's right," they said. "But only bent wood can make axes," the eucalyptus went on. "If we grow straight, there will be no more bent wood. The axes will not have wood for the handles. Then there'll be no more axes. I tell you, my friends, from today, I'm going to grow straight. There will be no bends in my wood. Wait, and you will see." The eucalyptus kept his promise. From that day, he grew straight, and there were no bends in his wood. But the other trees didn't listen to the eucalyptus. They grew in the old way with bending trunks and branches. And so the trees did not kill the enemy, the axe, and the axe continued to cut them down.